Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the online classes of Iqra Hufaz Boys Secondary School, our project of Iqra Education System. This video session is for English text for class 7 and this is lecture number 39. My dear students, today we are starting unit number 3. And the name of unit number 3 is Awareness of Crisis, Accidents and Natural Calamities. Means बहरान, हादसात और क़ुदरती आफ़ात से आगाही कि ऐसे हालात में हमें क्या करना चाहिए और क्या नहीं करना चाहिए. But before reading an explanation, you know we always do words, meaning and sentences of the unit. So kindly take out your notebooks and make title page and columns for words, meaning and sentences. Here we have the words meanings of unit 3. My dear students, you have to make the same columns as I have made. Number 1, unharmed. It's an adjective. Its English meaning is not hurt in any way. Not hurt in any way. And its Urdu meaning is ज़ख़म ना खाया हुआ. ज़ख़म ना खाया हुआ, चोट से महफूज. Number 2, gushing. Gushing. It's a verb. Its English meaning is moving with great force. Moving with great force. And its Urdu meaning is तेज़ी से पानी बहना. तेज़ी से पानी बहना. Number 3, clung. Clung. It is the past and past participle form of the verb cling. ठीक है, ये cling की past और past participle form है clung. It's a verb and its English meaning is hold on. Hold on. And its Urdu meaning is थामना. थामना. Number 4, bumping. Bumping. It's a verb and its English meaning is hitting. Hitting यानी टकराना. टकराना. Number 5, numb. Numb. It's an adjective and its English meaning is without feeling. Without feeling यानी बिना किसी हिस के. सुन हो जाना. सुन. समटाइम्स ऐसा होता है ना कि हमारा जो फुट है वो सुन हो जाता है, तो उसे कहते हैं नम. ओके, नम. Number 6, exhausted. Exhausted. It's an adjective and its English meaning is very very tired. Very very tired यानी थकन से चूर. थकन से चूर. Number 7, yelled. Yelled Y-E-L-L-E-D, yelled. It's a verb and its English meaning is shouted. Shouted यानी चीखना, चीखना. Number 8, relief camp. Relief camp. It's a noun and its English meaning is a place where people lost their homes, get food and shelter. A place where people lost their homes, get food and shelter. यानी इमदादी कैंप, यानी ऐसी कोई जगह जहाँ पर मुतासिरीन के लिए खाने पीने का और रहने का इंतज़ाम किया गया हो, मुतासिरीन के लिए, ठीक है, उसे कहते हैं रिलीफ कैंप. नंबर 9, evacuate. Evacuate. It's a verb and its English meaning is leave when there is danger. Leave when there is danger. यानी खतरे की जगह से बाहर निकालना, खतरे की जगह से बाहर निकालना. Number 10, nightmare. Nightmare. It's a noun and its English meaning is a bad and frightening dream. A bad and frightening dream. Frightening. Frightening यानी डरावना ख्वाब, डरावना ख्वाब. Number 11, glittered. Glittered. It's a verb and its English meaning is shone. Shone यानी रोशन होना या चमकना. It's a past participle form of glitter. ठीक है, ये glitter की past या past participle form है और ये shine की past form है shone. Okay, and its meaning is रोशन होना या चमकना. Number 12, energetic. Energetic. It's an adjective. Its English meaning is active. Its English meaning is active यानी चुस्त या फिर तवाना. चुस्त या फिर तवाना. Okay? Now you have to write these words meanings in your notebook and use these words in your sentences. That's your homework. That's all for today. Take very good care of yourself. Assalamu alaikum.